We will make the changes inside the image overlay. So let's apply there. Stretch it, make it fixed. So generate the clipping mask here. I will apply the changes around it. So let's try the designs. Make the different changes. Let's create another shape. You can use a paint here. So there